Holy friggin' crap, Lois. How's everybody doing? I see Pingus. Snooping as usual. That means Rhythm Heaven is returning. Well, like, you're not entirely wrong, because we are gonna be working on Bird today. Do you guys like this song? I can also play like another. I can play like another song too. I got like a bunch of stuff. I have homework, but there are more important things. Just do a little thing called multitasking, which is definitely not a hoax. Gotta hope that New Rune Heaven game is good and not bad. I've hope. I've hope. Where is it? This scene that is my like. Okay, so ignore the error. Oh, holy crap, Lois! Thank you for the 21 months. 21. Okay. Let's see here. Let me. Let's open up WhatsApp. What am I doing? I am, turning my face cam on. Holy friggin' crap, Flowers. Can we listen to Legend of the Plug? I don't think I have the rights for that. How's it go? P to the L to the U to the G. My forehead's so big today. My forehead's looking extra shiny and bald. By the way, like, no one do a desktop tour. Where's the little hide that? Ah! That just hit everything. What the fuck? Okay, wait. Okay, well, everything's back, so surely this is fine. I can't see my OBS anymore. This is my, yeah. You can screenshot that or whatever. Put some weird shit on if you want and edit it in and make it look really bad. 5 head. Yeah, it's pretty, You have exams in 3 hours? Deltarune spot? Yeah, I'm on chapter 2 in Deltarune. What time zone is exams in 3 hours? What the flip? It's 6:47 where I am right now. In the West Coast. Glad to see Bird doing well. Yeah, I have decided I haven't done a I haven't gotten a this is what we're going to be working on. I haven't decided an exact release date, but it's almost 10 a.m. Oh my goodness gracious. I binged the Deltarune edits earlier today. I gotta edit the next one. I've been like, I get into a rhythm of like Rhythm Heaven, where I edit like a few highlights sort of back to back in days, and then I take a couple days break, and then I get back into it. So I'll probably get into the rhythm of it soon. Ignore this error. But basically, Bird is most likely coming out next month, provided that like the build gets approved, which like I'm in the process of getting it approved right now. I have to do like a couple more things, but the game is basically done. Besides, this level is the only thing I can think of that's like unfinished that we're going to tackle today. Hawktua, we're going to. So first, before I forget, this like Pime, it's been in my Steam wishlist for a Bird Tilling. I know. I'm finally doing it, guys. I'm finally releasing it. So before I forget, just in case anyone's like photosensitive, I will put like a little flashing lights warning, because this level is going to have a little bit of flashing lights, and I would err on the side of caution. Flashing lights. What does that say? New tab. Okay, so flashing. It's not going to be that big, but flashing lights warning. What's the font size? Actually, can I make this like bold? Can I select the font? Arial. Yes, here we go. Okay. Bold. Okay. And then just put that, and then add a, do we want to add like a background color? Well, how's the background opacity? Oh, like that. Can you even see that? I'm blinded by the lights. There we go. And then just put that there. And then just also put that here. I'm really good. Oh, wait, guys. What music do you want? I have a dripping blood font. I bought fish and I like the part where live action Tim eats spaghetti for 2 hours straight. I should put that in a cutscene in the... I should do that. Have you dealt a rune yet? I've dealt a couple runes. I should have like an anti-piracy screen on Fish 2 that like you try and boot up a level on just a video of just me eating spaghetti really uncomfortably staring at the camera. It's like, ah, yes, the gameplay. Better yet, I could put that in a background of one of the levels. We have this music that you heard in the... Where's my finder slash... These are all the like music files in the game. I don't even know what the fuck these are. Well, I mean, I do, but like I don't remember. You pirate the game and... All right, let's figure out what this song is. Apparently nothing. Oh, yeah. This song's kind of a bop. We can listen to this for like a little bit. It's kind of loud. What are your thoughts on Mario's Picross? I can't say I've ever watched Mario's Picross. Tim, what will you add that? Will you add that in this game? What on earth is the Guzzlemon folder? Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. That's... In order to explain that would take like the entire stream. I don't want to get into that right now. It's like layers upon layers of inside jokes, and I don't really want to explain that right now. Okay, so what we're doing, God, it's still too loud. I can't even focus. Does it play again? Yeah, it plays again. Let's play a different song. Hold on. I've decided we're gonna play. I could play, what's a recent one that's good? Well, I could play the one here. This is the song that we're gonna be like working in. 6-3. Yeah. So if there are any Beethoven heads in the chat, any Beethoven heads in the chat, Tim is the guzzling goat. 22 music, damn game dash from time. It's mostly just because like I take long breaks from this game. And like I could have released it last year. I probably could have released it 2 years ago, but it wouldn't have been as good. So I wanted to just like take my time with this and just make sure it was really good before I released it. I wanted to make sure like I was ready. Just also for marketing and promoting and all the stuff I don't want to do that I have to do in order for it to like get any traction. Anti-piracy should make burn by crypto on your PC. I agree. That would be awesome. That's like the real, that's like the free money glitch. Okay, so there's a very specific goal in mind that I want to do in the next hour. So if you see these guys, holy shit. Oh, because it connects to Steam. That's right. That's really fun. That's so weird seeing the Steam thing on the... Anyway, so if you see... Oh, that's a little funky. So we have these guys. They're like lava pillars. Can I select one of them? Okay, so they got this lava tube, and they have this little pulse, like this thing, right? And so what we're going to do is if you're hearing in the background, like specifically like this part, that's going to be like playing the notes. La 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 lava, chicken. So that's going to be the notes, and they're going to like play in real time. Now, in the past, I want to show you guys, I think I showed this last stream, but so I'll give you a little behind the scenes of how I've done this in the past. Okay, well, let me, I thought you were joking when you said the music was too loud because I cannot hear a lick of it. Wait, really? Oh shit, that is... Okay, maybe my headphones are just too, Is that better? Okay, so... Oh! Ignore the Z fighting. That doesn't happen in the real thing. Okay, so where's the camera? Okay, so... The music is nearly okay. My bad, guys. Oh, there's Z fighting there too. Why is there Z fighting? Oh, it's just because I moved it all the way down there, maybe. It is still quite quiet. Now that Beethoven joke makes sense. Here, I'll turn it up a little bit more. This game will relaunch the merch store and sell at day 0. I should make more merch. Okay, so this is how it works in this scene. I have like a visualizer here, and I think within all of these, yeah. So I have like visualizer scripts, and I have this really convoluted way of like, okay, at each thing we're gonna play this repeat, and then with the repeat we're gonna play like each thingamabob here. It like takes, I mean, like look at this. This is diabolical. Like this is all manual. And for this song is so complicated that it would take so long for it to be manual, but I'll show you how it works in this. I'm gonna make a video about this too. I'm gonna make like a YouTube short. YouTube short. Okay, ignore that. Okay, so this is the game. And then in here, why is it like, what's weird is it's not like, I'm also gonna lose the, oh fuck. I'm gonna lose. I don't know why it's like not showing an editor, but basically that's how I get this effect to work. So like it's being rendered, and if you can see, it's kind of like being, it's being, where's a good example? Like this cluster here is the same as that because it's just being rendered on this texture here. And so it just does that, and then this is a shader. Let's open the shader actually. It's like a funny shader because it's like world position is the, hello, there we go. 6-4 rocks, graph 35. Oh yeah, so everything is named horribly in this. For whatever reason, when I started working on this project, I thought it was a good idea to name every shader graph these things like just in numerical order. So you have all these like, well, that actually is named correctly, but like graph 1, 2, 3, 4. It's horrible. But basically, this thing like takes, yeah, this is like the world position, and then it UVs it and rotates it and does all that, so it gets this like funny thing. And if you think this is bad, is this one like one of the horrific ones? Let's find out. Okay, this one's actually not too bad. I think it's like, I was looking at one of these and I almost had like an aneurysm. Okay, yeah, I think it was this one. I have no fucking clue what this does anymore. Actually, what does, oh, this is the space one. That's right. This makes little like space shader things. Like, woo! I don't know why it's doing that in the preview, but like basically, yeah, when you rotate that, this doesn't, oh yeah, no, this does connect to something. So yeah, don't do that. Just ignore that. Anyway, okay, so I'm gonna close all these because I don't want to save those changes. Close tab. Okay, bro, stop yelling at me. Stop it. Basically, that's how I did before. Is I did like all the measure stuff. So we're gonna get a thing. We're gonna make a thing to automate it for this level because I don't want to do that all manually anymore because there's a better way to do it. So what I need. Why is Twitch yelling at me? I don't know. Oh, what I need first is to like replay some audio. What do I want? We're gonna be listening to this song for a while, so maybe like a different song. What? Oh, this is a good one. Not unfinished. We want the fullest thing. Yeah. This is a bop. What will the romance options be in the game? DLC. Bird Dim. Yowie. I should have added the Dan. Well, there is a Dan is a crow, but he's not like the damn crow. He's not like Dan Daniel. Okay, what are we doing? So I actually need to figure out ignore that. Okay, I need to research and figure out how is the audio. Is that, I feel like that's really loud, no? I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. Oh! I closed it. Okay, well, you get to hear the beginning again. No, you don't. You get... Yeah, okay. Okay. What is it called? It's like Unity MIDI parser. There's a open source package. But I forget. Oh, is it dry wet MIDI? Yeah, it's totally dry wet MIDI. Yeah. Right? Import the dry wet MIDI. Using in Unity. Isn't there just like a Unity package? Oh, right. Wait, no, there's assets. Hold on. Wait, I think I already have it saved in my account. If I go to add tab. Wait, where's the asset store? Asset store. Wait. Oh, no. Hold on. It's, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Oh, I would love a spaghetti date with John. Hold on, package manager. Let's throw the package manager in here. That's where I normally do. And then... Can't wait to date orangetimotainment.png. Let's go to my assets. I think I saw... Okay, yeah. Dry wet MIDI. So we're going to import... Download and import this. So this is going to parse MIDI. And then I'm going to have to look at the syntax to see, like, what exactly this does again. Demo script, demo scene. Okay, import. So I'm going to export a MIDI file. I'm going to get my laptop. I don't want to be Citrus anymore. I got that video like in my... I forgot I made that video, and then I got it in my recommended, and I see like my face shittily photoshopped into annoying orange. Oh my god, I want a protein bar. Oh wait, guys, hold on. I'm checking the score of the Lakers game right now. Hold on. I hope they're winning. Oh, it's pregame. Never mind. Okay, so while this is going on, I remember whenever Fish first came out, I was however young. I was trying to run Fish fan art. I never finished, and I really gotta log in for fan art. Yeah, I'm hoping it's. I feel like it's a pretty fan artable game. So what I'm gonna do now is I have my laptop, and I'm gonna I have the. Wait, did it not loop? Did the thing not loop? I wanted it to loop. Oh, there we go. Oh, because I closed it. Yeah. I can't watch this Tim stream. It doesn't have failed Lacaduce game. I could put Mario 64 in the... Oh my god. What do you mean I have to enter my password? Okay, so... If I go to... If I open my Logic... Because I need to export it as a MIDI file and then like get it into the project from here. So... let's go okay, and then actually like no, I can just do it in the project. So if I go to Hawktua Logic, let's see if this works. I'm curious. You like the stickers on my laptop? Hey Tim, guess what? What? 6-3. I'm about to get dad joke. Chicken butt. I'm gonna ban you from Twitch. My uncle works at Twitch, and I'm banning you permanently forever. Okay, so that's the Schmitty, and then we're gonna solo this. And then how do you export as MIDI again? It's like file, export track as MIDI. Selection is MIDI file. Yeah, okay. And then we're gonna go assets. Let's do a new folder called MIDI. 6.3.mid. It's mid! Did it work? Reveal in Finder. It's 4 kilobytes. I assume that means it worked. Wait, let me just import it into the thing. No, don't import tempo. Okay, well, I think that did work because, like... I think it worked. What the fuck happened? Why does it think everything's like a different instrument though? Okay, well, yeah. We're gonna assume that worked. And then I'm gonna pull from here and I should have the MIDI file. Wait, hold on. Fetch origin. Tim, I'm in Vegas right now. Should I bet it all on red? I would say bet it all on black personally, but if I'm wrong, you can't blame me. Timothy, please inquire as to what I will state next. You should type yo mama in all caps, I think, personally. Okay, let's see. I should have, if I go to MIDI. Where are you? Where are you? Wait, huh? Did I not? Hello? Oh, I didn't push it. Oops. Hold up. I'll stick to Luigi Poker then. Tell my buddy Dexter I said hi. Yeah, you should meet up with our friend Dexter who's there right now. I'm sure he would love to be approached by a person he's never met. Ooh, it's mid. Oh, I gotta fetch the put. Okay, yeah, let's fetch, and then pull, and then push. It's like the gym. Okay. Okay. Oh wait, I need to pull here. Hee 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 ha. Okay. Alright, so MIDI, yeah. 6S3, okay, we have the MIDI. I'm gonna switch up the songs now, because we've been hearing that one for a while. Let's go, this one's a good one. I'll give you their tone room number. Tell Jerma I said hi. One of these days I'm gonna meet Jerma. I want to, at least. I hope so. I wanna say hi. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm gonna make a new scene actually. Scenes. Let's just go like. Where is it? Where is scene? Oh, there we go. Just call this MIDI. Have you ever played the 2010 DS game Beat City? I haven't played it, but I've seen footage of it. I've seen gameplay of it. What do you think of my remix? Oh, was that the am I thinking of like the Gmail remix? Is that what you're referencing? Yeah. It was so peak. Like unironically, like I was like, holy shit. It was so good. Yeah. Like that was like genuinely impressive. I'm glad people like the Gmail song. I might make more stuff. Okay. So let's what the fuck am I doing? Okay, let's go. What is even in this demo script? Like what does this do? Yeah, I don't really need any of this shit. Okay, using melancholy.dryweb. I'm just gonna copy. No, I'll just type it in myself. Okay, assets, scripts. It's A for some reason. I don't know why it's called that. Okay, let's go script. Okay, MIDI parser. So essentially, what I'm gonna do? Would you play Trouble in Terrorist Town with the Gungos if we were ever to play it? What? That's Gmod, right? I ignore that. Did it not? Or am I thinking of something else? I don't even know like what the game mode is. Yeah. Yeah, I would play it. I don't know like what the gameplay is, but I'd play it. I've heard of it. Okay, so what are we gonna do here? So we need system.io. And then we need using, what was it called? Melancol. Okay, what MIDI? Okay, so then we need MIDI file, and then I don't think that'll Melancol. It fails. There's gotta be an easier way to do it. Okay, so I don't think you can directly drag and drop them in. I think you need to parse it. Right? Isn't there like a function to do that? I actually don't remember. I think it's just read all text, right? And then... Oh, wait, this added it by itself. Okay, cool. Hold on. Let me get Let me go to the tutorial. Hold on. Or wait, no, maybe look at the why did you stop making serial videos? I didn't want to do it anymore. I didn't want to. That's basically it. How do I... Okay, what is create test file here? Okay, well, this is just like random shit. How do I like read the file though? I've done this in the past, but I don't remember how to do. Okay, let me just search up Dry-Out Mini read MIDI file. How do you do that? AI overview. Oh my god, bro. Oh, it's literally just MIDI file.read? Oh shit. Oh, that's really easy. Do you know about Heaven Studio? I do. That like interests me, but I also like don't want to get in trouble with Nintendo, so I don't think I would ever like stream it. But I think that's cool. String file path. Yeah, so then... Oh, wait. Okay, so... Void... You worked on Heaven Studio? Oh, that's cool. Wait, that's sick. From what I've seen, it looks like really well done. Oh, shit, it does a weird spacing thing on this. Okay, so... Read file. Okay, so, what do you call this? Data path equals application dot data path. This will all make sense what we're doing in a second, by the way. So, oh shit, it autofills. Wait, that's actually useful. What the fuck? That's like the first time it's ever been useful. Wait, that was stupid. I should make that a P. Hold on. Why is it mad at me? Oh wait, no, it's not. Hold on, it's actually not. Okay, there we go. It actually fucked up. Oh wait, actually, yeah. Whatever happened to your fax videos? I privated them because I was afraid my channel's gonna get taken down because of like the text-to-speech voice, which was very paranoid in retrospect, but oh well. Do you not have visual set up Unity so it autofills everything? So I normally work on a Mac. I don't normally work on PC like at all, so I don't have like most of this stuff is just fresh out of the box for me. But it's still like I know what to do for like most of the shit I'm doing, so it's okay. I'm gonna switch to a different song. That's old. This one's pretty good, if it's what I think it is. Yeah, I know that's not what I think it is. Okay, so read file, that MIDI file's there. Okay, so now we need to, it's like okay, void convert file. So we're gonna make a new like type of thingamabob here. Oh wait, shit, yeah. So for int I equals 0, I equals, I think it's like MIDI file dot, no, is it notes? Yeah, get notes. Well, wait, I should do... Hold on. I should just make it a... What is the typing of this? System.collection.generic.iCollection notes. What the fuck? I think that's how you do it, right? Okay, so MIDI file. I need whatever that is. What is it? Okay, well, yeah, just note. Notes. Wait, why is this mad at me now? Is it mad at me because it's like not... Okay, so notes contain specific... Does it need to have like this whole fucking thing? That seems redundant. No? Okay, I guess... Sure, man. That looks atrocious. Hi, guys. I'm a little nervous. This is my first Timotainment stream. Holy shit, Why Guy Live? Holy fucking shit. Let's fucking go. The whole gang is here. Who's the individual Twitch chat asked about Heaven Studio? I'm in the YouTube chat, and I cannot discern them. Who did ask about Heaven Studio? If you want to make yourself, if you want to bridge the gap, make yourself known. Notes dot, is it count? Okay, good. Okay, it's plus. Okay, so after it reads the file, actually, I think, shouldn't this be like an async file? Right? Because like after, I mean, I don't really give a shit though. So like, guys, I'm gonna be really lazy here. I don't even care. It, like, this is not even going in the game. This is to convert MIDI files that like won't even be in the game. It'll just convert it into just raw Vector3 data. Doesn't even know about the Rhythm Heaven art. Wait. You guys know the crosswalk and it's like, wait. Oh yeah, wait. Yep. Convert file. Read file. Start coroutine. Ah! Wait. 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 Okay, so now we want a list. List. Wait, no. I actually don't even need to do. I can just declare it. List. Let's do, what do we want here? I think it's Vector3 because we need the time, the position, and the hold time. So yeah, Vector3 cues equals new. Why is it mad at me? The non-generic type list can't be used with Yo Mama. How about that? How about Yo Mama? How about Yo Mama? There we go. Now it's now it's fine. Holy shit! Why Guy Live with the Prime Gaming? Thank you, thank you. Oh, that's freaking epic. I have from the YouTube chat from arrived. I know Timotainment plays Among Us with Captain Sparkles once. This is true, actually. I should see if Captain Sparkles wants to. Oh yeah, I was gonna message if he wanted a copy of Iridescent. I think he would actually like it. Never use Twitch anymore. Take my Prime. Yes, my $5. My $5 foot long. The only thing I know about Tim's Twitch career is the Schlatt audio. Yeah. Those were that was a good time. The SMB Live was SMB Live was like that was certainly a time. I was a very annoying 17-year-old. I'm changed since then. I was I was very annoying on that server, but and then like everything else happened. I was like, oh shit, I'm glad I wasn't like closer into that. So, whoopsie. Convert file, melancholy. Okay. I need. What's the like MIDI file dot? Isn't it like sample rate that I want? Is there like a dot sample rate? How do I get the sample rate? I think it's like 480 or something. But I don't exactly remember. So notes. What is it? Notes I dot. Well, actually, hold on. Vector 3 v equals new. V dot x. So this will be the. I'm gonna write a little thing for myself. Time. V dot x equals notes I dot. What can I get out of here? Wait, is that not how a collection works? Oh shit, wait, how does that work then? I've never used a collection before, but I've clearly used it though. With res. Can you put some Subway servers up on the side? I have a. Where's the Thomas Jefferson GIF at? Yeah, we can put Thomas Jefferson up. That doesn't cover any like important thing anyway. How? What is it? What do I need to do now? It's how to get index of iCollection. Does not inherently provide a way. What the fuck? Wait, what the fuck? Is it dot select? Is there like a better word to get this shit? Get tempo map, get type. Yeah, because it's notes contained in the MIDI file, so that is that. So what time is it? 7:22? Okay, we're good. Are you winning? I am middling right now. I'm trying to figure out how this is gonna work. We need every single Timotame video at 5 times speed and 144p too. That'd be awesome. Just a constant like playlist stream. How the fuck? Okay, so how do I parse this shit then? Do I like cast to Wait, can I do this? It gets mad at me though. Can I do as? It's gonna get mad at me. There's no way this works. What? No, it's gonna throw an error. Hold on. It's gonna throw an error. There's no way. I'm gonna run that. Because there's no way that works. Do you guys want a different song? Is there any reason in particular you're not using a MIDI file, not a regular audio file, like an MP3 or OGG? So, I'm using WAV files for everything else in the game, but this is purely so this is basically, I'm doing a bunch of extra steps now, so I don't have to manually do this later, is basically what I'm doing right now. So I want to see, yo mama. MIDI parser, and then where's the file path? I think it's like /MIDI /6-3 dot 6.3 mid. Wait, what the flip? All right, let's see if that works. Probably not. Simply apologize to it so it doesn't get mad at you. You're so right. The fuck, he's talented? I didn't know that. Ah! Oh, yeah, okay, so it's mad at me. I don't think... Yeah, it's a 37. I'm assuming it's like... Wait, what? Wait, it casts it correctly, which is weird. Oh, wait, I was gonna get a new song. Hold on. This one's Onion Canyon. It's pretty good. Vector 3v equals new. Time via x equals nodes dot. I really should get like a playlist going, but I don't have one. This seems very wrong, right? Hold on. How do I get like has to I list T or list T if applicable? Like it says it's like not mad at me for that, but I think it like hold on. Wait, let me just undo everything. Okay, I want to see, will this work? What? Okay. I always forget you can do events and shit with midis. Yeah, that's the whole reason like I'm using it. Okay. Okay, now it's not mad at me, but how the fuck do I get the thing? Wait, actually, first I want to just debug log, like, dot log. Let me make sure, notes dot count. Let's try that. Usually you don't need to get a list of an eye collection because the interface get notes probably returns a list of another type, which would be better. It says it returns a extension eye collection, though. Can I... Hold on, let me, like, where's google.com from? There we go. Dry, wet, MIDI, get notes. Class, is it note? Read every, wait, IE numerable? What the fuck? I'm gonna dry, wet, MIDI. IE numerable? What the flip? Let's see if they were right. Yeah, no, they were not fucking right. Unless they meant like this. What is this? Notes dot. Oh shit. Well, where's the length of it though? The no class can... Wait, what the fuck? Try putting it as var and using control period to autofill the type. I don't know if that... Notes dot... I don't want to get chords. Can I do, like, this? Oh, God. What the fuck? I swear I've done this before, but I don't remember how. Hold on, I'm a baka. Hold on, I'm a baka. Guys, I'm such a baka. Guys, I figured it out. Hold on. I got it. That's what I did last time. Oh, not 0. Dot x equals notes dot. It's not at time, right? It's like, oh, is it at time? Wait. Well, that's not, wait, that's also not right. What the fuck? Make sure to take out the stuff in the eye collection so it's just the stuff in the... Wait, am I? Oh my god, I'm so fucking stupid. Jesus Christ. I'm so stupid. There we go. There we go. Thank you. Where is it? Is it just time? Well, no, I want the start time. What is it called? End time. Well, where's start time? Is it just called start time? It's just called time? Okay, I guess it's that? Oh my god. Let's just see what happens here. Alright, let's try that. I don't know anything about what's happening. Explain like I'm 5. Okay. So, I'll actually go back to the other scene so you can see it. Basically, what we are doing right now is, in this level, there's all these different, like, lava tube things, and I want them to each, almost like a cathedral organ, I want them to play and, like, pulse like this. When they, but like one at a time, depending on like what note you play. So right now I'm writing a script that will take MIDI data from the, basically like data that, tells which notes to play that I already put down in the music software that I have. I exported that, and then what this is doing is saying, okay, we're gonna take like whatever's in this MIDI file, and then we're gonna convert it to just times for the notes to go like up and down. Not up and down, but like 322. Why did it only debug log once though? Is there only one? Wait. Hold on. Maybe it's a problem with the MIDI file? I feel like I troubleshooted this last time, but I don't remember. Let's try that. I want to see it at least like working before I have to go. We'll find out. Ignore that. Oh. Wait. How? What the fuck? Okay. Sure. Oh, fun fact, in C# you can make debug string easier before putting a $ sign before the quotes. I do know about that. In my brain, I like this method because it's very like modular. in my mind, it's like this thing plus this thing, and then it's like this thing. It's like, it makes sense in my brain of like, okay, we're going step by step. But yeah, I do know, like, you can do like, isn't it like 1 and then it's something like that, right? Okay, I guess it's not. I forgot how to do it. That's okay, though. E dot y equals... Oh, right, and then I need to do note dot time divided by note dot... I think it's sample rate? The fuck is it? MIDI file... Sample rate? I'm pretty sure it's 480. I'm pretty sure it's 480 on Logic files. I'm just gonna say it's 480 until I'm... Hold on. I'm like 90% sure, which means I don't like really need to get the sample rate if I already know what it is. Equals note dot... Oh shit, yeah, I gotta, what note? Oh yeah, octave, or... I don't want the octave. I want, velocity? No, not velocity. Is it channel? Yeah. Not time sample rate. What the fuck? Dot z equals note dot length. Yeah. Sample rate. Okay. And then this will all get put into a list that I'm actually just gonna make public so I can see it. And then at the end of this whole thing, wait, oh yeah, and then just cues.add v. Perfecto. Your face cam is blocking the bottom half of Thomas Jefferson. Yeah. It's okay. He's like a little hidden. He's a little camera shy today. I don't know why. Save that. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if that works. And then while this is compiling, let me get y'all a different song. Wait, this is not the one I was thinking of. What? It's also not the one I was thinking of. What the fuck? That's all. What is this? That's also not the one I was thinking of. What did I name it? Oh, wait, is it this? Well, that one's also good. Yeah, this one. Okay. Good. I am deathly afraid of the third president's chin. Okay, ignore that. Okay. Okay. What the fuck? What is happening? I'm just gonna copy this. Hold on. What the hell? What the fuck is happening? Why are they all at 0? Wait, why are they all at, like... That's just not right. Well, actually, maybe it is right, because it's like... No, it's not, though. Or, are you doing anything like multi-threaded stuff? I don't think so. Let me try one thing. We're just gonna do a really shitty fix. Hold on. Why is that happening? Wait, also, this should be float. I think that might be the problem, too. That might be the problem as well. That's why it's like shit. Well, but also, why is... Oh, it's not note.channel. It's like note. Is it velocity? Note number. Yes, okay. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, that's why it was fucked. That's why at least that one was fucked, so we'll try that. Yo, Ocean of Glass, thank you for the 26 months? 6 months. Hi, Tim. I recall you mentioned thinking about releasing the factions and just want to say it'd be cool and be fun to be able to watch them again. I probably should. Can I send you a funny quiz that's about JavaScript? I'm not sure if you know that. I wouldn't take it right now, but I could see. I mean, I'm not. I think I've touched JavaScript maybe once for like a class, so I'd probably fail it. Okay, well that still isn't fucking working, but how are we doing here? Okay, so maybe. What the fuck? Wait, what the fuck? Like, these are not... Dude, what the hell? Is note.time an int? It's a long? Oh, well... Let's just make that a float then. Yeah, well, you say it doesn't do anything, but, like, why is that, like, getting divided weird, then? Velocity is, like, the volume of it, so unless you want to change it, you shouldn't need it. Yeah, velocity is not what... Well, why is this not working? Gets or sets the number of the note. What? Why was everything at, like, 0? It's clearly, like, doing some weird, like, averaging thing. Like, what the fuck is this happening? Oh, there we go. Did it do it? I think it got it. Oh. I think this is wrong, though. Like, this is not the list that, like, was in the thing. So I think, maybe this list is just not updating properly, right? So maybe I just need to restart my computer, because, like... Maybe I need to reload the scene. Hold on, let me reload the scene. Yeah, sure, save it, whatever. Wait, paste? Okay, we're just gonna, make that 0. I'm gonna save that. Okay, reload it, see what happens. Funny rather than only educational, but here's let me know how you do if you do it. Okay. I'll see if I can get to it off the okay. Okay, so apparently it works now. Okay, so I have that copied at least, which is good. I'm gonna paste that. I swear it's like, it's there, I swear. The data is there. Okay, it's just like, I think it's having trouble rendering it, but, oh, that quiz. That, you're scaring me. I'm gonna go yippee. Okay, we might actually be able to see some progress here in a second. This might be big. Okay, I'm gonna say, let's see. So, aesthetic, did I have a visualizer script? Or like, oh, music? Oh, I totally did. Well, maybe I should move that. Wait. Oh, this is the wrong... Oh, it's because I had, like, some package or something. Well, it is aesthetic, though, so, like... MIDI parser. Okay, so... Let's create a... script, call it... Gotta walk my dog. Go walk your dog. To missing errors, it seems like you're using multi-threaded async function the wrong way that's corrupting stuff. Probably. Probably. Don't worry about it. It's fine. I got the thing. I got the thing that I needed. MIDI objects. So this will be like what plays the thing. Okay. Okay, and then close. We're gonna do create modern behavior script. We're gonna call this MIDI object, so we have a thing. And then from here, Okay. And then from here, we're gonna do create lava. Oh, fuck, I have to sneeze. Ugh. 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 My friend is playing tabletop streaming. Why does Unity always look like it's about to explode? It doesn't look like this on Mac, because Mac is better. Like, Mac just makes everything, like, so much easier. But I can't stream as well on that, because I don't have a good setup. Bless you, thank you. Bless you. And then we want MIDI object. So I'm just gonna do public virtual void hold, or I guess play, and then public. Wow, actually, like that's exactly what I wanted. Thanks, autofill. Except like I wanted to format it like that, but whatever, it's fine. So play is gonna be like, I guess stop holding. Well, maybe just stop is fine. Okay, so, and then lava tube is gonna inherit from MIDI object. And then honestly, I think I'm just gonna put this in the update function, like even if it's not like, good, I don't really give a shit, but float, pulse. And I want the pulse to be like a little bit, so like 0. Yeah, I want to say, so we'll say pulse minus equals, actually wait, no, I need to do public override play, public override stop. Okay, so bool is holding. So if is holding, we're gonna add it. We're gonna pull. We don't want it to be like go off immediately. So I'm gonna do like, it'll go in like 0.2 seconds, like the top pulse. And then if pulse is greater than 1, pulse equals 1. Yeah, and then else. Oh, that's not what what the fuck? Else. Okay, hopefully we can get it to work before I have to go. But I need to get it learning. I spent one night following with introduction and just stop. Yeah, I think for me, there's like no reason to learn Godot, because I learned Unity and I like Unity, and Unity has good documentation. I know Godot is open source, but like Unity's really good. So like Unity's my comfort character. So I'm just gonna keep using Unity unless there's a really good reason to stop. If less than 0.1f, pulse equals 0.1f. Okay, and then we want to do public mesh, or not public, what the fuck am I saying, bro? I like to do them also like on the top here, so serialize field, mesh renderer. Mesh renderer is fine. Well, not with a capital. Not with a capital. Come on now, what are we doing? But Unity evil, or it was, yeah, or was. They were evil. That CEO was like, we're gonna charge you $1 billion, and then everyone's like, no, and then he got fired. So yeah, they're not. They learned. I think they learned their lesson for now. Yeah. So they were trying to. That's exactly right. So they were trying to charge devs based on installs. Basically, like every time somebody installed your game, once it got to like a certain point, they would start taking a cut. Which was, I mean, one, really stupid. But two, it only affected your game if you got like a lot of traction on the game. As in, unless you have a free game, basically you would have had to been making a lot of money in order for them to start doing that. Even still, it was really stupid because you already, like, after a certain point, they want you to sign up for your like the plus version of it. And I think that's a better model. Like, it's free, and then once you start making enough money, they're like, hey, can you like pay for the pro version, please? Like, because you're making a ton of money on it. I think that's fair. But yeah, it was pretty stupid, the whole we're gonna charge based on installs. Is like, bro. Yeah, and then because of that, that CEO stepped down, exactly. And then they also have it where you don't need to do the made with Unity watermark anymore on the free version. You can get rid of it. That was like their little gift of, hey guys, we know we messed up really bad, so here's a thing for you. I'm glad CEOs. Yeah, that was a very stupid move. That was a you're fired worthy move. Okay, Pulse. Okay, so I believe I can just do this. Mesh renderer dot material dot set float. I believe I called it Pulse in the shader. We're about to freaking find out, bro. Pulse. Okay, so and then is not that holding equals true. Is holding equals false. Yep. Okay, and then I think we'll be able to get this to work. Hold on. Bow, 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 bow. Okay, yeah. MIDI objects. Okay, so this is gonna be here. Okay, so public. No, it doesn't need to be public. There's no reason for it to be public. 3 queues. Okay, and then for wait, no, not 4. Well, actually, some notes do play on the. Hold on. So, hold on. So if actually, I should do an inline. I need to do int current queue if current queue is greater than or equal to queues. Oh wait, this has got to be a. Let's make this a list so we like have an easier time. Dot count return. So just like don't even do anything with it. Wait, why is it mad at me? Oh, I guess this really doesn't need to be a list. Nah, I can just do an array. It's probably better. It'll use up less stuff. Because it only gets I don't need to set it like at runtime. I don't need to add a thing. What type of game you making? So this is called Bird. And actually, I'm done in this scene. Other than like, I just need to copy that. We're gonna test out. We're making this like thing where these things are gonna pulse in the background, and then I can play it. And I'm hoping to get a. Actually, yeah. Let's add MIDI objects, and then save this so we can put the. Oh well, fuck. Just. Let me put the thing in. Let me do the thing. Wait, hold on. The new CEO is the president of MLG. Really? That's crazy. That's crazy. Paste. Okay. Okay. So we got that, and then in the objects. Oh, I gotta see. Okay, so what is the lowest? Lowest? What's the lowest note it plays? Oh, gee. Oh, these are all the triplets at the end of the... I think the lowest was like 40 something. Have you heard of Danny Dev? This seems a little bit like it. Yeah, I've seen I think a couple of shorts. I know he like got crazy popular off of like shorts and stuff. He's he's pretty chill. Okay, I think 40 is the lowest. What part of the song is that? Oh yeah, okay, 40 is the lowest. The lowest. Sorry. Let me do not audio source, but that was a good guess, autofill. Int index offset. Yeah, and then we want serialized field The problem is that I think it's gonna fuck up a little bit, but that's okay. MIDI objects. Wait, no. Objects. Okay. So while current cue. Wait, no. Cues. Oh wait, shit. I need a. Well, let me just get it in music. How much time have you spent developing in this game? So it's been 4 years. Not really, because like I took massive breaks in between. I would say really more like 2 years, but like out of actual time, because I did take a bunch of long breaks. Equals find any object by type. Guys, I have to leave in like 5 minutes, so I really want to test this to make sure this... I really want you to be able to see the result, because I know it's going to work, but like, I just have to write a couple more lines of code here. While cues.currentCue.x. Oh, and then I need to do... float time offset, so that they fade in a little bit more, like a little bit early is like equals minus 0.1f. Sure, that's probably fine. Where are you going in 5 minutes? Did I miss most of the stream? So actually, I have to pick up a family member from the airport because their flight lands like really soon. I don't want to be late for that. But yeah. Okay. So what's Warriorland 4? Hurry up. Okay, so that's the time plus time offset is less than music dot is get audio time. Yeah, music dot get audio time. So then we want to do objects current cue. Wait, yeah, objects cues. Oh my god, this is about to be a fucking clusterfuck. Cues current cue. Objects cues current cue plus index offset, which is 40. I am now realizing that like this kind of sucks. Wait, why is it mad at me? Oh shit, yeah, that makes sense. Wait, what? Oh shit. Oh wow, this fucking sucks. Okay, but I need it to like stop. Let me... Duration. Right, so then it would be like... Copy, paste, Z. Okay, well, this is not gonna work now. Hold up. Ring, ding, 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 ding. I just want to see it work. I'll fix it later. I know this is like wrong, but it's okay. Just keep programming in the car. That surely will go great. So true. Duration, if hold is less than 0, is holding equals false. That should work, I think, maybe. We'll see. Okay, yeah, sure, we can try it. Actually, that's probably a better idea than what I had before. Oh, well, why is the fuck... That fucking bird that I hate! I want to see it work! It's fine. If I leave in like 10 minutes of... index offset is 40. Why is it not... Oh, did I like not save it? Oh, I didn't save it. Okay. Whoopsie! All right, music off. We gotta get. Actually, no, music on until we. What the fuck? Hello? Okay, lava tubes. Then we hit this button. We hit the sleigh button, and then we do this. We get all of these guys. Okay. We put them on. Oh well, you know, it would probably help if like I added a script onto it. That would like low-key help maybe. Mesh renderer is here. Lava tube goes here. Lava tubes. Hit the sleigh button again. Lava tube goes here. Objects. All right, let's see. Let's see if this worked. I won't be able to tell if it worked until like midway through the song, so we'll see. Tim, don't be late just because of a stream. I want to see it work. I'm not gonna be late. Okay, that's a good sign. I mean, obviously it doesn't look good yet because I'll like fix it like aesthetically, but let's see. I really hope this works. All right, we're about to find out if this works. Oh my god, bruh. Index was outside the bounds of the array. Why is it debug logging 0? Oh, wait. I'm such a freaking baka. I'm such a baka mitai. Okay, wait, hold on. Let's try it one more time. It's not a busy airport. It's fine. It's fine. Or not at this time of night, anyway. Hopefully. Is my Unity not responding? Uh-oh. This is gonna work, guys. Just trust me. End task. Okay. Will we be able to find a free demo on GitHub? So there's actually a free demo on Steam. It's like the first 3 levels. It's called Bird, like B.I.R.D. Like I spell it like this. Okay. Don't worry about that. It's fixed now, guys. Just trust me. Okay. I need to make the law. Right now, they're all like aesthetically not super pleasing, so I'm gonna fix it and like make it look really cool. I should make it pixelated. Wait. I should pixelate this lava effect. That would be sick. Good job, me. All right, let's see. Oh, something's happening. Wait, what the fuck? I know it's wrong. I know it's wrong. Hold on. I know it's wrong. An error occurred. Shut the fuck up. I know what's wrong, guys. If I leave in 3 minutes, it's okay. So I know what's wrong. I forgot to increment the index of the thing, so it was just going in the while loop forever, and it never ended. And so now, if I go into MIDI objects, and I just do a ++, everything will work, because it was trying to compile the shader as well, and it froze because it was stuck in an infinite loop. So as long as I fix this, I do current queue ++, like in C++, and then this is gonna work. I think. I hope. I think it's gonna work, actually. Like I would be moderately surprised if it did not work. So let's try it. Let's get it started in here. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yep. It's mad at me. Whatever. All right. This is it. Potential mobile port. I have thought about it. Wait. Okay. It is working, but like it is impossible to see. Do you guys see those like little flickers? It's like impossible to see, but I swear it is working. It's like little flickers of things. But just the timing is, I need to fix the timing. Okay, the vision's there. I'll make it look good later, but I do have to go. Thank you for coming out. I could stream tomorrow, Loki. I'm thinking about it. I also kind of want to play Mario Do, but like I kind of want to work in this game too. Okay, thanks for